How to file taxes using TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to choose the right TurboTax product. You can select from TurboTax Free Edition to TurboTax Live. Select whichever is best for you. Now you want to gather your tax documents such as income slips, deduction receipts, previous year's notice assessment, business income and expense record, investment records, and RRSP contribution receipts if you are in Canada. Now, you want to create or log into your TurboTax account. You can also use the TurboTax software on your laptop or PC. Now, you want to start a new return, or you can import last year's return if that is applicable. Now, step by step, you will have to enter the details. The first step is personal information. After that, enter your income and expenses. Then enter your deductions and credits. Now enter your other tax situations. Then enter your state taxes. Now you will have to review all of the information that you have entered. Check for errors or missing information. Optimize your deductions and credits. TurboTax will automatically display a summary of your tax refund or amount owed over here. After this, you want to file your return. If you are in Canada, file electronically via NetFile or print and mail your return. If you are in US, e-file to IRS or print and mail your return. TurboTax will provide confirmation when your return is successfully submitted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.